Good afternoon, teacher and students. My theme is application of numerical methods in micropolar fluid flow and heat transfer in permeable plates. My name is David Sebastian Sánchez Castiblanco, a system engineer, sixth semester. The teacher is Carlos David Moncada. Operation Research 2022. Introduction. The equation of motion, structural equation, and boundary condition are obtained for a class of light-carrier micropolar leads. These leads respond to rotational motion. Micropolar leads are thus wide and microstructure and veloce to a class of leads wide and asymmetrical pressure sensor, which is called polar leads. In physical terms, they constitute lights that are suspended in and at a safe media and are important for engineers and branches who work with aerodynamic light sources and phenomena. Continuation, please. Nomenclature per Prandtl number. N micro rotation. G dimension micro rotation. ADM domain decomposition method. P Prandtl number. The thermal conductivity. G micro density. H width of channels. Parallel and opposite was the research examined. The nanofluid flow affected by the magnetic parameter. Using the TM, the effects of the thermal conductivity coefficient and the viscosity of the nanofluid were computed using the main model Paul Jau Pash et al. Investigate the analytical solution of non-Newtonian second grade fluid flow by beam and ADM methods on a station sheet. Abstract. In this paper, micropolar light flow between two fluid plates has been studied in Maple computation software. The innovation of this paper is to study the heat transfer and fluid flow through two parallel plates with a dominant decomposition method ADM and variation integration method BEAM. application of numerical methods in micropolar fluid flow and heat transfer. The heat transfer and fluid flow taught to Paraguay gel place white adomian decomposition method, ADM, and variation integration method, BAM. This article aims to discover the effect of Beckley number Reynolds number on heat transfer and fluid concentration and validate ADM and BAM for such problems. Results and discussions. After making the complete differential equation, include the equation for continuity, momentum, etc. Dimensions and solving this equation numerically and descriptions using ADM and BAM. We explain the obtained graphs in the figure 1 displays the chainmate of the base article. Show the conversion results of ADM and BAM and the compilation. Right now. References y al final finish y thank you so much.